Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to connect or set up Fifine boom arm with your mic. So right now I've purchased this Fifine mic, and to use it guys, first of all you will have this here. You will find a wider knob over it. Just remove it from here if you want to connect directly from your mic. So you can just rotate it anti-clockwise and you will be able to remove it. You just need to connect your mic at this, putting this mic on your table. You have to just put this inside it, just put inside it and just tight the knob. When you tight the knob, now you have to place the table between this, and you can rotate it into to the clockwise to get the grip with the table. So now let's do that. Let's put this boom arm to the table and fit it over there, and then connect our mic with it. Let's do that, okay? So you have to place it like this. Now you can guys tight this knob. So just rotate. As you can see that when I rotating it, keeping the grip tight with table, and once you rotate to the point where it gets fit with the table, you can leave it. Now with this point, so to connect here guys, first of all make sure to remove this boom arm connector. So I just connect boom arm connector with the wider knob, so I have to remove it. So basically guys, I just remove it from my mic. Now I can directly connect my mic with this boom arm connector. So let's connect it directly. We don't need a guys shop mount short. So now you can connect this, just rotate clockwise, and that's how you can fit it. So once you connect the both things guys, now you can connect the wire of your mic. Now you can guys adjust the wire, like you can put a wire over it, and then you can put it. And also you must got these strip to bind these wires together. So the best part about this guys, the body of this boom arm, it is quite sturdy, and you can now keep anywhere this boom arm anywhere you want. So yeah, that's how you can connect and set up the boom arm connector, boom arm stand. Hope you like it. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye bye.